In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to Notion. We'll use Zapier to create a simple, reliable connection so your information can move automatically between the two. This is perfect if you want emails or events from Outlook to show up in Notion without manual copying. Start by opening your browser and heading to Zapier's website. Once you're there, click Login. This takes you into your Zapier dashboard where all your automations live. From the dashboard, select Create, then choose Zap. A Zap is Zapier's term for an automation that connects two apps together. On the Zap setup page, look for the Copilot field. Copilot is Zapier's AI helper that builds automations from plain language. In that field, type Outlook to Notion. Keep it simple. Zapier will understand that you want to link Outlook with Notion and will generate a connection for you. Give it a moment to think and draft the workflow. You'll see it outline the basic structure of the integration for you, which saves a ton of setup time. If you want to customize things later, you can, but for now, we'll stick with the generated connection. Once the generation is done, it's time to sign into your accounts. First, sign into Outlook. A window will pop up asking for your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials and continue. You'll be prompted to grant permissions. Make sure to enable the necessary access so Zapier can read the data it needs, like emails or calendar entries. Without those permissions, the automation won't work. Next, sign in to Notion. Zapier will ask you to connect your Notion workspace and authorize access. Choose the correct workspace and confirm. If you're asked to pick a specific database or page for the integration, select the one where you want the data to go. Again, allow the permissions so Zapier can create or update items as needed. With both accounts connected, test the connection. Zapier will run a quick check to verify that it can pull information from Outlook and send it to Notion. Watch for a success message or example data appearing. If anything looks off, double check that you're logged into the right accounts and that permissions are enabled. When everything looks good, click Publish. This turns on your Zap so it runs automatically going forward. That's it. Your Outlook to Notion connection is live. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials.